Difference between Dict.Clear and assigning in Python. In Python, is there a difference between calling clear and assigning to a dictionary? If yes, what is it? Example.
If you have another variable also referring to the same dictionary, there is a big difference. This is because assigning D equals creates a new, empty dictionary and assigns it to the D variable. This leaves D2 pointing at the old dictionary with items still in it. However, D.Clear clears the same dictionary that D and D2 both point at.
D equals will create a new instance for D, but all other references will still point to the old contents. D.Clear will reset the contents, but all references to the same instance will still be correct.
In addition to the differences mentioned in other answers, there also is a speed difference. D equals is over twice as fast.
As an illustration for the things already mentioned before.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.